Yes, today we are going to see the trimmer which I have just ordered on Amazon. I'll just quickly unbox this trimmer and I'll show you. Let's see here, this is the Beardo new trimmer, and which is for the multiple use. That is what the best thing which I have ordered this on Amazon, because the specifications which are a bit more when compared to the other trimmers on this price range. So see here, type C charging means with directly with our mobile chargers we can keep the charging. Powerful battery, okay. Zero clap blades, that is fine. And one thing, as I said, it has multiple functions, because hair trimming is there and nose and ear trimming is there, and this is under 1000 rupees, below 1000 rupees, and I got this for 950 rupees. So let us unbox this and see and how it works, and I'll do another video about something like usage review or the how it works. So within like after 2 weeks I'll post another video, so that you'll get a clarity whether you can choose to buy this or not. Okay, I'll open this. Okay, this is ready. I'll just open the box. Yeah, just like the mobile package, the trimmer is also in the attractive package, and this is the main item, the trimmer. See here, the build quality is good. Maybe this is the power button, maybe this is the charger indicator. I need to test this. Yeah, as they mentioned, type C charging port. See here, type C charging port. I'll just open the can. Okay, we'll keep this aside and we'll see what else I received on the box. So as they mentioned, see here, type C charging port. So even though if you miss this cable, you can charge it with your mobile charger. As they mentioned, we can just remove this one, remove this top one, the blade actually, and we can adjust this one at this, we can mount this one here, so that it, yeah, this is for nose, I guess this is for nose. And adjustment blades, how many they gave, and I'll drop the link in the description. If you want to go through this, you can go through this through the link which is provided in the description bottom. And as I said, I'll do a video probably 2 weeks later. Once I'll use this, I'll get an idea how it works and how efficient it is. The setting of the blade is also very simple, and removing is also very simple. Yeah. Let us, yeah, wait for the video. I'll post it on that. As of now, yeah, this is the Beardo